Facing the Vanguard Anti-Cheat error when launching Valorant? Hey there, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll guide you through resolving the Vanguard Anti-Cheat error in Valorant. Let's get straight into it. Solution 1. Add Valorant to Windows Security Exception List. Open Windows Security, search for it if needed. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Select Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection section. Scroll down and click on Add or Remove Exclusion from the Exclusion section. Click Yes to grant permission to add exclusions. Click on Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Navigate to the Valorant installation directory and select the Riot Games folder. Repeat the process for the Riot Vanguard folder. Check if the error persists. Solution 2. Adjust Vanguard Services settings. Type Services in the search bar and open it. Scroll down to find the VGC service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click OK. Right-click on VGC again and select Start. Open Run, type msconfig, go to the Services tab, tick Hide All Microsoft Services. At the bottom, find VGC. Tick the box and hit Apply. Click on OK and restart your computer. Check if the error is resolved. Solution 3. Disable full screen optimization for Valorant. Locate Valorant's installation directory. Right-click on the Riot Client settings. Right-click on the Riot Client shortcut, Properties, Open File Location. Navigate to Riot Games, Valorant Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64. Right-click on Valorant, Win64, Shipping, go to Properties. In the Compatibility tab, tick Disable Full Screen Optimization and run this program as an administrator. Apply changes and click OK. Open Valorant and check for the error. And that's it. This is how you can fix the Vanguard Anti-Cheat error in Valorant. If this video helps you out, hit that like button. For any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.